Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test the drum rollers on a rumbling or vibrating electric dryer. Before we get started, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a number 20 Torx bit, a small flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always power off the dryer by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker before you do any work on it to keep yourself safe during the repair process. To check the drum rollers, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 console screws from the back. Once the screws are removed, lift up on the control panel to uncover the 3/4-inch screws that need to be removed. Once the 3/4-inch screws are removed, slide the top panel forward and up to reveal the top of the drum. Next, you need to unplug your door switch. Using a putty knife, push in on the 2 clips and remove the access panel. Now, remove your dryer vent duct by removing the 3/4-inch screws surrounding the duct. Once the duct is off, remove the 2 springs located on the bottom corners of your dryer. Once the springs are removed, go ahead and remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the door panel. Now go to the top of the door panel and remove the 2 20-bit Torx screws. Now lift up on the front panel and it should come up. Reach under the drum and release the belt from the idler pulley. Then use the drum belt to lift the drum out of the cabinet. Loud rumbling noises will typically come from a drum roller. Find the rollers and turn them by hand. Are they hard to turn or do they wobble from side to side? If they do, they will need to be replaced. Take notice, this specific dryer and many others will have 2 rollers on the back bulkhead and 2 more on the front bulkhead. So be sure to replace all the rollers at the same time. Once you're done, reinstall the drum and drum belt, reattach the belt to the pulley, then the front panel with the door switch. Then go to the bottom and connect your door springs. From there, you want to install the blower housing vent. Then you want to go back to the top to put the top panel back on and then secure the console. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in and flip that breaker back on. If your drum rollers are worn and need to be replaced, you can order new ones at AppliancePartsPros.com. We also got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.